Today, I'll walk you through how to make small calculations in your OneNote tables, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to perform simple calculations so you can enhance your note-taking experience. Let's get started. First, open your OneNote desktop application. This is where all the magic happens. If you don't see it immediately, don't worry, just look for the OneNote icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Once you're in, navigate to the page where you want to perform your calculations. This could be a new note or an existing one, whatever suits your needs. Remember, this is your workspace, so feel free to organize it however you like. Now let's talk about the basics of calculations. In OneNote, you can use simple symbols for your math operations. For addition, use the plus sign. For subtraction, use the minus sign. If you want to multiply, use the asterisk, and for division, use the forward slash. Think of these symbols as your tools. Just like a chef uses knives and spoons to prepare a meal, you'll use these symbols to create your calculations. Next, type your equation directly onto the page. For example, if you want to add two numbers, you might type 5 plus 3 equals. Make sure to end your equation with the equals sign and then press the enter button. This is crucial. Without the equals sign, OneNote won't know you're looking for an answer. Once you hit enter, OneNote will automatically calculate the answer for you. It's like having a calculator built right into your notes. You'll see the result pop up right next to your equation. This feature is incredibly useful for quick calculations while you're jotting down ideas or compiling data. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different from what I'm describing. OneNote updates occasionally and the layout may vary. Just follow along with the steps and you'll be fine. In summary, using OneNote for small calculations is straightforward. Open your app, navigate to your desired page, remember the symbols for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, type your equation and hit enter. The answer will appear automatically, making your note-taking more efficient. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.